Good morning, everybody. We have an early day today for our business. We've got some house guests sleeping over. But we're gonna spend the day showing you what we eat. Let's get up.
Hi, hello, how are you? How you doing? As you know, we started our summer meeting my family out west. That transitioned to Beck and I hanging out with Fraser and Dawn for a while. And now we're enjoying our time with the minimal millennials, Aubrey and Christian. I'm super stoked. I'm an extrovert. I love people, but Beck is, as you know, a true introvert. So it can be heavy or a lot for her to always have people in our house and our stuff everywhere, and it's just been a lot. So today it's been nice. She's at a cafe working, I've been out doing sales, and we just had a really kind of busy morning, just kind of doing business stuff. Trying to run a business can be a lot. Sprouts, falafel, tomate, avocado, gombre, fresh spinach wrap. Ooh. I'm gonna start by just slowly pan frying these little pre-made falafels. Take all this and dice it up. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, that was easy. Tomato, cuke, a little bit of onion. Celery is a great addition, guys. Super, super healthy. And it gives it like a really nice crunch factor. Avo and sprouts. A little tahini drizzle. Oh my god. Get in ya. A little hot sauce flare. Squad still hasn't arrived. I just got a text from Beck saying that they're working on the new website. This is exciting stuff because a lot of you are going to benefit deeply. The new website is not really a new website. It's an American store with American shipping. We're able to get our shipping cost down 50%. We've been working on this literally for 2 years. It's something that we struggle with because in Canada shipping is so expensive. We've got a new shipping provider. If you guys are interested, we will link the chai below, and I'm sure Beck will tell you all about it as well because she'll be super, super excited. So Aubrey is our web designer, and she's gonna be helping us with that. So they're like 5 minutes away. I've got all 4 wraps ready to go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we got 1 extra wrap. It came with 5, so I left like a little bit of sprinkling because I'm sure Christian and I will want to share it. Okay, I guess I'll probably just sit here and eat my wrap while I'm waiting for them.
I really was considering waiting for them, but it's been like 5 minutes and these just look way too good.
This looks amazing. So we're having falafel wraps. I'm like shaking. I never don't eat, but we were just working on a really exciting project, so I was like, oh, and I had a coffee in there.
Seriously?
And I never have coffee.
Is that where you're shaking?
Yeah, I think so. So guys, that's what I ate today. Don't drink coffee, it's bad. Drink chai.
Have you eaten anything else?
Mm-mm.
I had a tea at Bows and Arrows, and they did a fantastic job. It was like literally, I think, one of the best teas I've ever had. It was just a black tea. It was like perfectly steeped, perfect temperature. What do you reckon about that?
So
I think it needs, I bought this sauce, which is super questionable. It might need a little more tahini.
We have tahini.
It's right there.
A whole jar of it too, though.
Yeah, it came with packs of it.
Well, that's cool.
Yeah.
Sweet, man.
Do you want to tell them what you're working on? I kind of told them, but I figured you could like hype it up and get a little more excited.
So, you guys know that we have a tea company. Our biggest hurdle has been shipping to everyone who's watching from the States. First, I want to say thank you so much for wanting to support us and supporting us through everything. You guys are amazing. The shipping costs are crazy from Canada to the States. We've been working for months on this, and finally today we've launched something that I think is going to help all of this. We're testing it out. It's only going to be $9 to ship.
And what day is it today? What day is it today?
Independence Day? 4th of July!
Just in time to get for half price shipping. I was gonna say free shipping. I would love to do free shipping, but that would go bankrupt real quick.
Yeah.
So half price shipping, guys. Shipping is now $9.
From 20.
From 20 to 9. Go check it out. Can they just jump on chaiwalachai.com?
Yeah.
But this is unreal.
Yeah, I pulled all the stops out on that one.
You went all out.
Your
Yeah.
wraps is amazing. You got like little sprouts in there.
Oh, dude,
This is-
Wait, is this your
This
freestyle
is
for
so
Friday?
well
No.
put together.
It's not?
No, it should have been, huh?
It should have been, dude.
Yeah.
It's so well put together. It tastes like you bought it in a restaurant. It's really good. But like,
Yeah.
it's wrapped up like that, it feels like it'd be like.
Appreciate that, dude.
wrap.
There's an extra little tahini there. You can cut the corner off and just drizzle on top. If you like it extra saucy. Lunch is finished up. It was delicious, and I just showed them about the little sneaky treat I found. These are the Naked Coconut Bliss bars. I love them because they're so clean, so simple, and the ingredients are like coconut milk, coconut shreds, and agave, and sea salt. They taste like ice cream. Anybody else want one?
Yes, please. When you guys were kids, did you love fudgesicles so much?
Yeah.
I loved fudgesicles so much.
Yeah. Fudgesicle.
But this is
a coconut.
This is a coconut fudgesicle, but 10 times better.
What's a fudgesicle?
A fudgesicle? What?
Go back to Texas, boy.
We are headed back to Vancouver. We've so enjoyed our time on Vancouver Island. We've got a lot of really cool things happening, but that's for another vlog. Today's all about food. Right now, the squad is low energy. Soup's low energy. So I'm gonna chop up 3 peppers. We've got a little bit of hummus, and the crew is gonna manja.
So Becca is bringing her veggies. We also got an apple and like a little bit of hummus. We're gonna go sit up top.
Whenever I have the chance to be on a vessel that has a washroom, or I am in a cafe where I can use the washroom, I drink as much water as possible. So it's time to get this sucker filled up. So Eamon was just complaining about not having a knife to cut his apple into slices.
I really don't like eating apples like this. I know it's like first world problems, but it really like gives
Sorry
me
to
that
butt in,
allergy.
but I eat apples the way you do with a knife.
There you
Oh.
go. Buddy. Got an extra knife on you.
Actually, my suitcase I do.
Okay, we gotta eat quick if you still want ice cream. Okay. We are downtown Chinatown. We are heading to the one and only Virtuous Pie. Everything's vegan. We're definitely getting a Stranger Wings. What was the other one that was really good?
So literally everything's vegan?
Yeah.
I'm eating goat cheese, like, alright.
He'll need you to tell him at least 2 more times. I'm not even gonna bother vlogging the rest of this. We'll let you know how it goes after this.
They're just trying to get me off of it with all that almond
Does anybody have a little time to update the vlog on like how much fun they're having and all that?
stuff. Kind of fun. Ton of good food.
We're about to order another pie.
That doesn't surprise me at all. And how are you doing?
Really good. 10 out of 10.
If you come to Virtuous and you're only gonna get 1 pie, I would.
Stranger Wings.
Yeah. These guys wouldn't even let me finish my pie.
Yes. Anyways, back on track.
Close at 10.
Back on track. Uma Luma, we're coming for you. You make vegan ice cream. It's delicious. The last time I got salted caramel, loved it for 4 bites. It was too rich. I'm going sour cherry. Looking bright and beautiful, Uma. Uma Luma, here we go.
It's like Omri Matney 2-step right here. That just goes down all day.
And Christian does like the Drake. Do it,
That's right. The mojito is it's bomb.
But you've already got a fresh one. Can I try this?
Mine's not as fresh as that mojito.
Mojito pops.
Wow, that's good. Today has been the weirdest day of food. Eamon and I never skip breakfast, but it was one of those mornings where we just
Squeeze in the frame.
had one of those mornings. Wow, this is terrible lighting.
Yeah, let's go stand in front of a lit window. That will conclude our what I eat in a day, as Christian just has the last scoop of mojito umaluma. I think the day took a real good turn at the last hour and a half.
Couple of hours, yeah.
Yeah, pizza and ice cream is a great way to finish
We've been
off
pretty
the day.
Hello,
bummed,
your
you know?
lunch was amazing.
True.
Oh,
You just
it's
mean like
true.
our spirits were really lifted with the pizza.
No, yeah. I mean,
No, but seriously, Eamon's lunch was. You
Yeah.
can start a business based around those wraps.
We chatted about that. One thing you guys have to know about us is like
chatted about-
anytime we find a business opportunity, we're like, how can we make this happen?
100%.
Should we make it happen? And then we all go really extreme and then it passes. So that
Next
was
week,
one of
we're
those,
going to be
like-
selling wraps out of this van.
And also, being a YouTuber really makes you feel so high and low sometimes that you're questioning, like, oh my god, what am I doing wasting all this time?
Yep.
That it's always good to fall back on those flawful ideas once in a while. Work hard, play hard. I feel like that's my new sign off. I'm saying it again, so peace out. See you in the next one.
Good night, everybody.
Oh, slow.
Oh, he's not doing it.
Everyone's lost interest right
I'm
now.
cutting that. I'm cutting
All right,
that.
bye.